Hi allesammans, hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to greet and present yourself in Norwegian. Knowing how to greet and present yourself in Norwegian is critical when visiting Norway. This shows respect and aids in development of rapport with the locals. Greetings are an essential part of any culture, including Norwegian culture. Norwegian greetings can be either formal or informal, depending on the situation and the person you are talking to. Formal greetings are usually used in professional settings or when talking to someone older or more important, while informal greetings are used with friends, family, and peers. But as we will see in this presentation today, because in Norway, Norwegian language is less formal. Also, culture is less formal. So sometimes we see an interflow or things are used both in formal and informal settings, same phrases. Okay, first, saying hello in Norwegian formal. In a formal context, you can say god dag, god dag, god dag, good day, or simply hei, hi, hi, hi. Informal and informal situations. As in the formal situation, you can also use hei, hei, hei. So hei, hei, hei is the most common greeting in Norway. In a informal setting, you can also use hallo, 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 hello, or hi son, hi son, hi son, hi there. Saying goodbye in Norwegian. To say goodbye in Norwegian, you can say ha det, ha det, ha det, goodbye, or vi ses, vi ses, vi ses, see you. Asking how someone is. To ask how someone is doing in Norwegian, you can say hvordan går det, hvordan går det, hvordan går det, how's it going, or hvordan har du det, hvordan har du det, hvordan har du det, how are you. Responding to how are you. To respond to this question, you can say det går bra, tack. Det går bra, tack. Det går bra, tack. I'm fine, thank you. Or bara bra, tack. Bara bra, tack. Bara bra, tack. Just fine, thank you. Greeting people based on time of day. Norwegians also use greetings based on the time of day, such as god morgen, god morgen, god morgen, good morning, god ettermiddag, god ettermiddag, god ettermiddag, good afternoon, or god kveld, god kveld, god kveld, good evening. Introducing yourself in Norwegian. Saying your name. To introduce yourself in Norwegian, you can say jeg heter, your name. Jeg heter, your name. Jeg heter, your name. My name is, your name. Or mitt navn er, your name. Mitt navn er, your name. Mitt navn er, your name. My name is, your name. Asking for someone's name. To ask for someone's name, you can say hva heter du? Hva heter du? Hva heter du? What's your name? Or hva er navnet ditt? Hva er navnet ditt? Hva er navnet ditt? What is your name? Sharing your nationality. To share your nationality, you can say Jeg fra your country. Jeg fra your country. Jeg fra your country. I'm from your country. Or jeg your nationality. Jeg your nationality. Jeg your nationality. I am your nationality. Polite expressions and courtesies. Saying please and thank you. In Norwegian, vær så snill, vær så snill, vær så snill. Please is used when making a request, while takk, 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 thank you, or tusen takk, tusen takk, tusen takk, 1,000 thanks, are expressions used to express gratitude. You can also say takk for sist, takk for sist, takk for sist, thanks for the last time, when meeting someone again after some time has passed. Apologizing in Norwegian. To apologize in Norwegian, you can say beklage, 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 I'm sorry, or unnskyld, 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 sorry, or excuse me. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,